Did you know the secret to perfect sesame butter is all in the roasting? Let me show you how to get it just right. In the pan, we're gonna add in 2 bowls of sesame and we're gonna continue toasting it non-stop without stopping. So we'll toast it until it is roasted and we'll boil it out and continue with the rest because we got a lot of sesame we're gonna roast. So guys, watch to the end and find it out how we're gonna make our sesame butter. So you need to toast it in a low heat to avoid it from burning. Yeah, as you can see, that's how you check sesame if it is ready or not. So this is showing us our sesame is ready, so it's time for us to put it off from the stove. Next, I'm going to blend our roasted sesame butter with a blender. I'll blend it until it is smooth and soft. So yes, I'll scoop the same bowl, 2 scoop. I'll pour it in the blender there and I'll blend it out. I got my remaining peanut butter. So usually when I'm blending my sesame butter, I mix it up with peanut butter. So it's optional. If you don't like to mix it up, you can leave it like that. It's all the same. But for me, I love mixing mine with peanut butter to avoid the bitterness of the sesame butter. So if you have ever eaten sesame butter, you know how it tastes. Yes. So yes, I'm just mixing that up and reduce the bitterness of it. sesame butter is ready. It came out so smooth and soft. If you have enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe as well. Hit the notification bell and comment down below and let me know where you're watching from. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll see you into my next video. Bye bye.